nice.
Invisible Art is like a program where we get to bring. It's kind of like a Funka, which is a program that's happening right now. It's like an extrapolation, like it's a big version of Invisible Art. Invisible Art is just we bring different teaching artists to come and have workshop based around that. Where this is on another level to the point where you're not only teaching the Somali oral tradition.
We also teach Somali literature, arts, poetry, and storytelling, Somali music. The main keys and the skills that we play.
Basically what we do is we go and actually work with a handful of very amazing, talented Somali artists to travel and also to teach the Somalis and non-Somalis about those three disciplines.
Right now I see a lot of like refugee communities trying to reclaim their history and their roots. So I guess my question is like, how difficult was it to try to learn about Somali traditions and histories when things aren't written down, I guess. So
Somali language was basically written back in 1972. In 1972, a Latin part of it was written, but before that, back in 1920s, there was another script called Ismania, but it was not adopted back then. But it was, if you do not practice, if you do not teach, if you do not learn, if you do not speak, it will vanish. When the war broke out back in 1991, people fled. So they adopted other cultures, other languages. Yesterday, I was in Higher Ground Academy, where we were teaching the same kind of thing right now. And I asked the kids Somali alphabet. None of them knew how to say the alphabet in Somali. So it's an endeavor, it's a struggle, it's not an easy task. What we're doing right now is the only way to restore culture and language.
But we certainly want you to come back, and we're going to try to get some dates and see if we can make some arrangements with other schools in the area, and perhaps some community groups, and try to make it worth your while to come back up. I mean, it's worth your while right now because we got a great idea of what you do and what your purpose is, and we can build upon that and give you more contact with our youth and people in the community.
Definitely. Thank you very much.